Welcome students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start the new chapter, that is the chapter 3, the linear equation in two variables. Before coming on the topic, linear equation in two variables, you have learned this topic, linear equation in two variables, in class 9. First of all, we recall the topics, the things which you have learned in respect of this linear equation in two variables in class 9, and after that we proceed further. Now first we see linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where x and y, these are the variables, and a, b and c, these are the real numbers, where a is not equal to 0 and a square plus b square is not equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. A square plus b square is not equal to 0, that means a and b both will be 0 simultaneously. That means if a is 0, then b will not be 0. If b is 0, then a will not be 0. Now solution of a linear equation in two variables. It is a pair of value of x and y which satisfy the given equation. A pair of values of x and y which satisfy the given equation is called solution of the linear equation in two variables. In class 9, you have drawn the graph of a linear equation in two variables. When you draw the graph of the linear equation in two variables, you will get a line. Now, note this thing, the graph of a linear equation in two variables represent a line in the Cartesian plane. That means you will take x-axis and y-axis and draw the graph, and when you draw the graph of the linear equation, then you will get a straight line. Number 2, a solution xy, that means a pair of values of x and y of a linear equation in two variables represent a point on the line. That means when you draw the graph of the linear equation, you will get a line, and any point on the line is a solution of that linear equation in two variables. Now pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables, that means there are two linear equation in variable. There are two linear equations in two variables of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. These are the two linear equations in two variables. Pair of linear equation in two variables where a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2, these are the real numbers. a1 is not equal to 0, a2 is not equal to 0, and a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. These two equations are pair of linear equation in two variables because if you draw the graph of these two equations, you will draw the graph on the same plane, not in the different plane. You will draw the graph on the same plane. Now solution of linear equation in two variables, a pair of linear equation in two variables, same thing which you have learned earlier, a pair of values of x and y, that is xy, which satisfy the both equation is called their solution. Method for solving a pair of linear equation in two variables. How will you get the solution of a linear equation in two variables? There are two methods for getting the solution of a linear equation in two variables. One is the graphical method and another is the algebraic method. In graphical method, you will draw the graph of the both linear equations and then you will get solution. In algebraic method, there are three methods. There are three ways you will get the solution of linear equation in two variables, and those are elimination, substitution and cross multiplication, which you will see after in the next video.